We have a really special day today. This is Rare Ferrari Day at the car show. We have 5 Ferrari LaFerraris. We have the brand new Ferrari F40 Testarossa. We have a Ferrari Enzo. We also have the brand new Ferrari F80, which you can see right there in pearl white. It's a 288 GTO. There's a Daytona SP3. Unbelievable. Love this black one. Great looking car. Let's take a look at that F80 real quick. We'll get back to these LaFerraris. Oh, look at the butterfly valves in the exhaust. It's pretty cool. You don't usually get to see those. This thing's pretty crazy. Almost 1,200 horsepower. Carbon fiber wheels. Believe it or not, this is a V6. It's a high revving V6 twin turbo. Has 3 electric motors. Actually sounds pretty good. It's a Formula One derived engine. Kind of crazy to have something that's this expensive and this powerful be a V6 with a Ferrari, but it is what it is, I guess. Very unique design. Right, let's check out the Monza SP2. Pretty cool. Let's go check out that new Testarossa. Here's the brand new Ferrari F40 Testarossa. Very, very different looking car. See how low that engine is set. It's pretty cool. Nice weight distribution there. Pretty cool interior. Carbon seats, blue Alcantara. Looks almost identical to the new F80 in the front with that little mustache or whatever you want to call it in the front there. All right, let's get back to the other cars here. Alright, here we are. There's another pearl white LaFerrari. This is the hardtop version. Absolutely beautiful paint. Love that everybody left the windows down so we can see the interior. Love that flat bottom carbon wheel. Beautiful car. Check out this yellow Aperta. It's amazing the amount of money these things are selling for lately. What a great car. Love that carbon engine cover. Unbelievable. And yep, we got an Enzo over there. Check out the vacuum lines on that dash and the Alcantara. The attention to detail. That's pretty cool. Alright, here we are. One of 399 that they made, I believe. Or was it yeah, it was $399 on these. Such a great raw car. These things didn't even come with a radio. You actually see the drive shaft. When you sit in the car, you can see the drive shaft all the way down to the floor. The air conditioning vents are exposed. I mean, they did not do anything in here to add any weight whatsoever. Such a crazy car. Such a treat to get to be next to one without 10,000 people around it too. I'm glad I got here early. Love those fans. Just like the F50 had. Kind of sucks it down to the ground. It's so cool. Love those red gauges too. Stunning. See the drive shaft right there? See it all the way down. Very cool. All right, there we go. 2 F40s. This one's set up for racing with these windows here. Such a stunning car. Beautiful driver's car. Just such a lightweight analog car. I love this plexiglass or Lexan rear window here. It's just a stunning presence. If you look closely, you can even see the carbon fiber weave in the paint surface. So cool. Take a look inside this one. What a great car. Come around to the front here. Alright, let's get to that 288 GTO before everybody starts mobbing this thing. Such a rare car. I can't even tell you the last time I saw one of these. Love that gated shifter. Really cool interior for the time. Love that feature right there. Those side vents are so cool. Unbelievable. Alright, let's go to this Daytona. This is the Daytona SP3. Crazy color. Awesome car. Let's take one more look at that interior. This car is so wide it's hard to even get close to it. When you open the door, it takes part of the side skirt with it so you can get in easier. Crazy car. Well, still an amazing car, but not really in comparison to what we just saw. But this is the 812 Competizione. Those carbon fiber wheels. Excuse me, Competizione Aperta. Beautiful car. Naturally aspirated, high revving V12. Look at those exhausts. How cool. This is one of my favorite cars that I get to see about once a month here. Love this baby blue SF90 XX Stradale. Another one right next to it that I actually haven't seen before. Some kind of a crazy paint scheme there. This thing is beautiful. Let's take a look at this paint. Love the carbon fiber scoops. Oh, I like how he incorporated the red on the wing. Ferrari there. That looks cool. take a quick look inside. Another 812 Competizione. Red interior. Look at that. Looks like red velvet carpet in there. That's a lot of red. Wow. Pretty cool. Oh, and that's your rear mirror, by the way, or rear window. Since it's all closed up, you get a camera. Oh, there's another one. This is actually one of the first ones that I ever saw with this metallic silver with the blue accents. Cool car. Here's a 599 GTO. God, you don't see these ever. On aftermarket wheels. Kind of surprised. Usually the guys that buy these just leave them alone and watch them go up in value. Oh. Okay, well, let's see what this is. Some kind of a prototype or some kind of a weird custom situation here. At one point this was a 458. Not sure what it is now. There's another LaFerrari. There's a 296 race car. It's pretty cool. Put a carbon on that thing. I guess this would be a 296 challenge car. Look at that steering wheel. Crazy.